If you want to see what the final stages of buying a new build home look like, you're not going to want to go anywhere. We're viewing the Pineview model by FH Development today that's almost about to cross the finish line. Stick around. All right, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, I'm John Murray, a Halifax Realtor with Keller Williams Select Realty. And what we do on my channel is I visit all the new developments around the city to provide home tours of all the new construction and try and give you a little bit of insight into what neighborhoods or developments might be good for you and your family. If that's something you're interested in, or you're thinking about moving, buying, or selling anywhere in the Halifax area, do me a huge favor. Hit the like button, hit the notification button, and hit the subscribe button to make sure you stay up to date with everything that's happening in all the newest communities. Today I'm out in the highly sought after subdivision of Indigo Shores in Middle Sackville. Now, if you're a local here, or you've already seen this section before, feel free to skip ahead to see what floor plans today's builder has available, or right to the home tour. I always have timestamps available. But if you're unfamiliar with this development, stick around and let me show you. We are located just off exit 2A of the 101 highway, which makes this one of the most strategically connected spots in the HRM. You're a straight 20-minute shot to the airport and about 25 minutes into downtown Halifax. But because of the 101, you're effectively the gateway to the Annapolis Valley, meaning you could be exploring wineries and farm markets in about 45 minutes. One of the biggest draws to Indigo Shores is definitely the space. Now, these are not tight suburban lots like you're going to see in Brunello, West Bedford, or the parks of Lake Charles. Most lots average between 1 all the way up to 4 acres. They're wooded, so you have privacy, but you're also close enough to neighbors to borrow a cup of sugar if you really needed to. Now again, when you're out in these developments, you're going to be on well and septic, nothing to worry about. When you're buying new construction, everything's new, the wells are drilled deep enough, and the septic should give you 25 to 30 years of a surety as long as you treat them well. Now I'm going to put the schools up in the neighborhood for you to see for a minute. You can do some research on them, and you can reach out with any questions. One of the things that sets Indigo Shores apart is definitely McCabe Lake. Now, it is one of the premier motorized boat-friendly lakes in the area, and the best part is, even if you aren't buying a direct lakefront property, you get community access just like where I'm at right now. I'm near the end of McCabe Lake Drive, and I'm about to take this path down to unnamed Park 23. This is a great spot for the community if you're swimming, launching kayaks, canoeing, or boats. The whole area has a real cottage-like feel to it. I really think you're going to enjoy this development. From a practical side of things, you're only 5 minutes from Downsview Plaza in Lower Sackville. That's got all the grocery stores, it's got hardware stores, restaurants, basically anything you need. All the essentials are there and they're only 5 minutes away. But really, the potential in this neighborhood is right where I'm standing behind me. So while the neighborhood is mostly residential right now, the master plan includes commercial phases right up here near Midnight Run Park and the main entrance. There are also even heavy rumors of a Costco coming to the area right where I'm standing. The point is, the value here is only going to go up. So let's see what you can actually buy here right now, and we're gonna get on with some home tours. All right, we're checking out the Pineview floor plan today by FH Development Group here in Indigo Shores. It is a split entry model, as you can see. I'm gonna put the specs up on the screen for you. It's a 4-bed, 3-bath with a double car garage listed at $729,900. They have 2 of these models ready to go as we speak. We're at the end of February 2026 here. The lot size is about 1.5 acres. And you're gonna see when we go in there, this home is not completely fully ready to go. It just has a few deficiencies that need to be worked through, which is a great glimpse for you to see what the final stages of buying a new build look like right before it crosses the finish line. Again, we've had nothing but snow here over the last month, but you know, nothing's gonna stop me from getting you in some new homes so you can see the models. Just gonna trek my way up and try not to fall down. So my clients actually bought this exact model last year that was on resale. So I've been able to see this and walk through this model after it's been lived in for several years. And I can tell you it really does hold up. The quality is great. Again, if it's your first time watching my channel and you're interested in checking out new builds or even resale homes, feel free to reach out to me. I help people just like you every week that are looking in the area. All right, so we walk in. A nice coat closet right inside the doorway. We've got tile floor here. Now the stairway up and down is engineered hardwood. Okay. We're gonna go downstairs first today. So here you've got an extra family room or rec room. This is laminate flooring throughout the bottom and upstairs levels. So it goes in quite deep here. I'm just gonna go in and turn around. So see how you see the green painter's tape? So these are just little deficiencies in the final stages of every new build, whether there could be nail pops or little paint chips. So the builder is gonna come back in and fix any of the small problems that happen when a house settles and a house is being built. So don't be alarmed by anything. This is normal in every new build if you're ever in them before they're all shiny and on the market. So you got baseboard heating down here. There is a heat pump upstairs. There is no heat pump downstairs, but you could upgrade for $5,200, a little over $5,200, I believe, if you wanted to put another heat pump head downstairs. So we also have a full bath down here. It's over to the left. Give you a glimpse. I apologize if the microphone is echoey. It's these empty homes, sometimes there's quite a bit of an echo. Anyway, your laundry is also downstairs here, tucked away in the closet. Again, I've seen this model after it's been lived in, and what the previous owners have done was put an extra shelf in, and it really made a big difference for a lot of space, but nice clean spot for your laundry. And you've got a fourth bedroom downstairs, so tucked away. If you ever have, it can make a great guest bedroom, or if you have a teenager that kind of wants a little bit of privacy. Closet there. Okay. So we're gonna go back out to your family or den room. Could be a multi-space, depending on what you want to do. You're gonna have your typical understairs storage here. Nothing fancy, but great place to put things. And your double car garage. So they will do an epoxy floor. I'm gonna put the upgrade cost on the screen for you. So if you're interested in seeing what that looks like, you can always reach out and I'll show you a model with the epoxy flooring in it. Go back upstairs. This has been an unusual Nova Scotian winter. We usually don't have this much constant snow. So we're all toughing through it. Okay, so top of the stairs, like most split entries, you're gonna look right into your kitchen. Over there will be kind of where the dining space would be. There's your heat pump there. Again, if you're not familiar with heat pumps, they are great for efficiency and keeping your bills reasonable. They're gonna cool your house in the summertime and keep it warm in the winter. And the way it's situated is actually pointing where I would want it. So it points almost down toward the hallway so the air flows throughout the whole level. Okay, we have quartz countertops here in the kitchen. You could upgrade the kitchen island into a waterfall look for $3,200 as well. They don't have it in this model. So your fridge would be there. You've got a nice pantry here, right off the kitchen. You got cupboards right up to the ceiling. There is a built-in sound system here too in the kitchen for audio. if you like to listen to music while you're cooking or entertaining. Nice undermount sink. Nice tile backsplash. Spot for your dishwasher there. Okay. Kitchen island. I like when they have the insight to have somewhere for your garbage in these islands, so it's tucked out of the way. Space for your stove there. You can just see the snow we've had. It's been constant. So these models do have the staircase down off the deck. Now, the lot we're on right now is sloping down toward the property, but again, the goal of these videos is more to show the model of the home. If you want to see this model or you're wondering where they might be building it in any other areas, just shoot me a text or reach out. I'd be more than happy to guide you through where it's going to be put and what your potential is. So your electric fireplace is here. Now I'm going to mention this will have tile, okay? They haven't put the tile on yet, but it's not going to look exactly like that. They are going to put a tile background around it. Nice vaulted ceiling here too, nice and tall. Makes the room feel a lot more open once you actually have furniture in here. So a lot of people will put their TV up here and a sofa over here. Can't see where I'm pointing. Yeah, so that's the main floor layout. So down the hallway, we're gonna have 2 bedrooms over on the right, your main bath on the first door on the left, and then your primary bedroom is at the end of the hallway on the far left as well. There is a small linen closet on the first door here. Okay. I'm standing in the bathroom, so we'll turn around. So this would be your main bath for these 2 bedrooms. Again, if you missed the section where I talked about the painter's tape in the beginning of the video, this is standard in all new builds. It's just the builders are gonna come in and fix the small deficiencies that happen with all the new construction. Like I said, nail pops or any paint chips, things like that. It's perfectly normal, nothing to worry about. So this would be our 3rd bedroom, or I've seen it actually staged as an office as well. It's a great space. Good sized closet. Baseboard in here. That's your primary straight ahead, but we are going to go into the 2nd bedroom first. All right. So again, if you're watching and you weren't aware, I do not represent any of the builders on the channel. I am able to get into these homes because of the great relationships I do have with the listing agents and some of the builders I do know. This home is actually not on the market currently. It was. It will be going back on, and it is available. So I do get to preview some homes that actually aren't on the market and give you tours through them, which is a kind of great way to see things before the rest of the public does. So this is your primary. Okay, you got lots of space for a king-size bed. Sometimes it's hard to pick that up when these rooms are empty like this, but you would have plenty of space. You got a good-sized walk-in closet. Your attic hatch is right above me here in the closet. And finally, your ensuite bathroom. So you've got a double vanity, again with quartz countertop. You have a custom ceramic shower here as well. You're gonna see how the ceramic tile goes right here. Just got a bit of a different look. I like how they have the shelf built in for the shampoo as well. And you've got lots of shelving here in the bathroom. All right, so That's it for the tour today. That's your glimpse at, I would say, the very final stages of a new construction home, right before you build. So if there's any other models you want to see, or if you have any questions, as always, reach out and please let me know what you think in the comments, and I will see you on the next tour.